Now for the printer bug, let's run Rubius in monitor mode again on server 1. Let's give it an explicit target user so it doesn't dump out all of the TGTs. We're only looking for TGTs from the domain controller's machine account. Let's give it no wrap this time as well. Okay, now back on this beacon running as bfarmer, let's execute the spool sample. And the first argument we want to give it is the target server, and then the second argument is the capture server. So this will trigger the domain controller to try and connect to server 1, and then server 1 will dump the TGT of the domain controller's machine account. And we can see that this beacon just lit up, so that's a good sign. And here's the TGT. So let's do exactly the same thing here. We'll dump the ticket to a file. And we'll call this one dc2.kirby. And then back on this, we'll make a fake token. And this one will be dc2 $, because it's a machine account. Fake pass. Kerberos ticket use. dc2.kirby. Now I find even with the TGT for the domain controller, you can't always list the $C share. But what you can do is DC sync. So if we wanted, we could actually DC sync the hash of a domain admin. And then gain access to the domain controller that way.